There, you see some scratches here on the surface. And some very mild scratches also here where the ball bearing is hitting the shackle. So the test you've just seen is representing a 6-kilogram hammer from 2 meters high to the floor. And the worst case scenario is saying that we always have to hit the same place, and the machine does that. So in this test we simulate the torsion attack, and the machine will twist the padlock against the shackle by the use of manual force on the other end. 100, 200 Newton meters. Out of 10 times, you can see the shackle broke, and at the same time the body broke. And that shows how well balanced the padlock is. Because to make it more secure, it doesn't only help to increase the strength of the body or the strength of the shackle. Both are perfectly balanced. They break at the same time. It's a perfectly balanced security.